Good morning, children. In the last class, we had seen perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary line. Okay. How do we find the perimeter? Sum of the length of all the sides. That is how we get the perimeter. And for a square, we have a particular formula such as 4a. And for rectangle, we have 2 bracket L plus B. Today we are going to see area. Now what is the difference in perimeter and area? When I said perimeter, I clearly said it is the length of only the boundary line. Length of only the boundary line. And when we speak of area, area means the entire space covered. Not only the boundary, but this entire space taken by that particular figure. How much is the space taken? This entire space is taken by this particular figure. So this entire measure is called as area. For a rectangle, this entire measure is called as a rectangle. Suppose I say the area taken by this book means how much space this book has occupied in this plane. Okay, so the area of the book will be this entire measure. This entire. But whereas perimeter is the length of only this boundary. That is called the perimeter. Okay. Now, since we have square and we have to learn the area of a square and a rectangle. And as you know, square, all the sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now, we have learned the perimeter of a square, 4a. What is the perimeter? Adding the length of all. Perimeter of a rectangle 2 times bracket L plus B, adding the length of all. Okay. Now, the unit of perimeter. If this is given to you in centimeter, the unit will be centimeter because we are just adding it. If this is given to you in meter, then the unit of perimeter also will be in meter. Okay. Now, we are going to talk about area. As I said, area is this entire space occupied. Okay. So, area of a square with side A is A square. A square. And the unit will also be square. If it is given to you, suppose it is 5 centimeter. Okay. Then the area will be 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. This is centimeter. It will be centimeter square. Because it is multiplying. A square means what? A into A. That is 5 square means what? 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So 5 into 5, 25. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So area is always in squares. If it is centimeter, then it is centimeter square. If it is meter, meter square. Kilometer, kilometer square. Okay. Whereas perimeter unit is whatever is given. If it is centimeter, it is only centimeter. So when it is mentioned squares, whether it is square centimeter, square meter, then you know they are referring to area. Okay, they are mentioning square centimeter, square meter, then you should know that they are referring to area. Now, what is the area of a rectangle? Area of the rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. Again, length if it is in centimeter, you will have centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square, meter into meter, meter square. Okay, so again, the unit of area is square. We are writing it like this, centimeter square, or if it is meter, meter square, if it is kilometer, kilometer square. Okay, and these two formulas you have to learn by heart. Don't get confused. Area of a square is equal to A square and area of a rectangle is L into B. Perimeter of a square is 4A. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B. It is plus L plus B. Why? Because we are adding for perimeter. Area of a square A B. You have to learn these formulas by heart. Please add to the formula collection. We will go directly to practice at 45. Question number 1. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. Square is 12 centimeter. So you write over there, question number 1, write the question, then you write over there, side equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area is equal to side square, that is equal to 12 square. How much is 12 square? 144 centimeter. So it will be centimeter square. And then you write the concluding statement. Therefore, area of the given square is 144 centimeter square. Second one, the length. Please write the question, okay. The length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. So you write over there. Length is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth is given to you as 5 centimeter. Therefore, next line. Area is equal to L into B, length into breadth. That is equal to 12 into 5 is equal to 75. What is the unit? Centimeter square. Please write the concluding statement. Therefore, area of the given rectangle is 75 centimeter square. The third one. What is given to you in the third one? Area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. It is written as SQCM, that is square centimeter. You can either write it as centimeter square or square centimeter, but please write it in this manner, centimeter square. Okay. Now question number 3. Let us see what is given. You write what is given first. Area is given to you, so you write area is equal to, how much it is? 102 centimeter square. What else is given? Length is given. Length is equal to 17 centimeter. Now, what is asked to you over there? Find the perimeter. Now, what is the formula for perimeter? We are talking about a rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Now, length is given to us, but what about breadth? Do we have breadth? No. So, first we have to find out breadth. Now, how do we get breadth? From the formula area. Now, what is given to you? Area is, what is the formula for area? That is L into B. L into B is equal to 102. L is given to you, that 17 into B is equal to 102. Therefore, B is equal to 102. This is multiplication, so divided by 17. How many times? Completely get cancelled. Suppose it is 6. So 6 times. So breadth is 6 centimeters. Since everything is in centimeter, it will be in centimeter. So breadth is 6 centimeter. Now you find for perimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to, write the formula, 2 times bracket L plus B, that is equal to 2 times, what is the length? 17 plus breadth is 6, that is 2 into 17 plus 6, 23. So multiply and get that, and that will be the perimeter. And what will be the unit that you will be mentioning over there? The unit is, perimeter unit is centimeter. Okay. Question number 4. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Now again we have a square and the measure of it is triple. Now when you have a square with side A, what is the area? A square. Now this is tripled, means 3 times more. So what will be the area? Area formula is A square, but now what is your A? What is your side? 3A. So that will be 3A whole square. Okay. That is 3 square is 9A square. First the area was A square. Now the area is become 9A square. So how many times it has increased? 9 times. Okay. That is what I asked you. How many times it is increased than the original one. Only you have to take care whenever you are tripling or doubling, that has to be replaced in the length. Okay. So you please write the steps for it. Area of a square, area of a square with side A, with side A, area of a square with side A equal to A square, A square. Next, area of a square, area of a square with tripled side, area of a square with tripled side equal to 3A the whole square, 3A the whole square, that is equal to 9A square, 9A square. Therefore, write the concluding statement. Therefore, the area of the new square, area of the new square will be 9 times more, 9 times more than the original one. Area of the new square will be 9 times more than the original one. At the sides in your working column, you draw that 2 squares and keep. This was A. Another square you draw and you write it as 3A. And inside this you write area is A square, and inside this you write area is 3A the whole square. Then you will understand it better. Okay. So today we have learned the area, in particular area of a square and rectangle. What is the formula for area of a square? A square. Area of a rectangle, L into B. Unit is always in square unit. Okay.